The software includes a reporting system that allows you to manage the different selection processes in a very effective way. Inside the Candidates module Indeed, there is a dashboard which provides you with a complete overview of all your candidates database. In particular, on the right side, there's a set of counters that allows you to analyze the candidates you currently have at your disposal, and you can even see exactly where your candidates are geolocated. In addition, by clicking on More Details, you can find a set of more detailed charts. Among them, for example, there is the traffic sources that allows you to assess which are the recruitment channels from which you receive the most candidates. The same statistics that you see in the dashboard are also available for each job ad published. In addition, all this data can always be exported from the system at any time and in different formats.